Hello everyone, it's Irfan Molodina with RMI Professional Corporation. Hope everyone's doing great today. So today I just want to touch on some common mistakes or common things that people forget when they're filing their personal taxes. So there's four main ones that we've identified here. The first one is not reporting all income. So a lot of people tend to forget, like you might have a job but have some side income earning from something else. A lot of times that side income needs to be reported as well on your tax return. So a lot of times you want to make sure you're encompassing all the income you've earned in order to avoid issues down the road if you get audited. The second common mistake we notice is not picking up all your expenses or deductions. This is very common for those individuals who might be able to write off some employment expenses through their employer, or if you're a sole proprietorship business, you might end up missing out on reporting a vehicle expense or claiming some additional like home office expenses. So the second most common mistake we see is not picking up all your deductions correctly. The third one, and this one's really important, even though it doesn't sound as important, but it's not updating your information with CRA. So this is really important because your notice of assessments get mailed there, but more importantly, if they're auditing you or they're sending any letters questioning any information and asking for additional details, they're going to mail it to your address. So it's really important you update your address, update your phone numbers, update marital status, because that can have an impact on some of the benefits you get from the government. So not updating your correct information is a very another common mistake that we see. And lastly, and this one's super important, is missing out on key filing forms. A good example of this is foreign reporting. If you own property outside of Canada over $100,000, this can include any stock investments, real estate, things like that. There's separate filing requirements for forms, and a lot of these forms have very hefty penalties. That one I just mentioned, the T1135, can be up to $2,500 per year. Other common ones would be if you sold your principal residence, not filing the forms correctly for that and declaring that can have high penalties. Or if you've watched some of our other videos, you would know about the new UHT tax, or and that's another one that's going to be another filing form that's going to have hefty penalties starting at $5,000. So it's very important to make sure that you are filing all the required forms and all the required information when doing your tax return. As always, if you have any questions with filing or just require some assistance or want us to help you out taking care of those filings, feel free to always reach out to us. It's Irfan with RMI Professional Corporation. Thank you.